stand up first. That was kind of boring, wasn't it? Everybody stand up.
Notes are boring.
We're not going to make you dance this time. We'll make you dance.
Everybody stand up.
So fun. I promise.
Please. Remember when we rapped? That was fun, right? Everything's boring. Guys. I don't know what's fun.
Guys, let's stand up.
Please stand up.
You look at me. My eyes just curled up.
All right, let's get started. So what does the horizontal line look like? Show me with your arms.
Looks like this, right? Horizontal. We learned some karate moves this morning. We did.
Okay, horizontal looks like this. Good. So we're going to teach you a little bit of self-defense karate for math.
So get in your stance. Make sure you bend your knees. I don't want anybody hurting themselves.
Get in your karate.
Get in your karate
For
stance.
self-defense, you got to what? Cover your face?
Yep. So cover your face. Let's do it.
Girls.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do our horizontal. So we're going to say, hoi.
Hoi.
Hoi. One more.
Let's all do it together.
Hoi. So what does our vertical line look like?
It's gonna go vertical. It's gonna go up.
So we're going to do buck.
Bucks. Let's do it together. Bucks. Now we're gonna do it together. Hoi and bucks. Ready? Hoi. Bucks.
One more.
Hoi. Bucks.
Good.
It's gonna save my life.
You liar. All right. We're going to take your notes that you just took and we're going to put them into your interactive notebook.
So go ahead and get out your interactive notebook. You should go on page 33.
Okay, page 33. You're going to be gluing this down now. Your page will look exactly like on the whiteboard.
We're going to give you these little booklets. We worked really hard on folding all of these. You can glue that onto your page 33. We folded 160 of these.
I appreciate that.
So cool. Look.
Yes.
Look at this ain't it.
The extra money for me.
Yeah, I thought I was the only one.
Alright, I want to see you glue. Glue everything down. Make your
Miss
page.
Myers.
Yes, sir.
They come undone.
Yeah, it's a booklet.
They broke.
Keep it a booklet, kiddo.
Miss Foster and I spent the entire weekend folding these booklets. You're welcome. So it should be page 33. Yes, if you have those 2 pages glued in from yesterday. So it's 33.
Okay, just glue everything down. This should not take us longer than 1 minute. Let's go. Glue, glue, be done.
Okay, just make sure you It doesn't make sense.
You guys are supposed to glue.
So we're not going to unfold them, but we're just going to glue that blank white part. I know.
Page 30.
We need to put this.
It should be 33 from, did you glue? Oh, that's right. It should be, remember yesterday we glued in the 2 pages about, yeah, this one and this one. So quick, 31. Page 33. That's your homework, so we're not going to glue it in. Yeah, so you can look at the booklet. Cool, right? Beautiful booklets. Thanks. That's what I did Saturday night.
You don't have to write on these. Yeah, look, there's blanks.
Yes.
What page is this on?
Well, everyone's don't make
Okay, get a piece of paper. We'll glue it on a piece of paper, and then you can glue that paper into your notebook.
A couple more seconds and let you finish that up.
Everyone got everything in your notebook?
No, it's the
That's your book, right? So quickly.
The notes that we did yesterday.
Yeah, they were very nice to fold your booklets for them. Usually I make you guys do it. Right here.
All right, so while that last few people finish up, we'll
Yeah, you can always come in another time and straighten out your notebook. Right now, only this page. I don't want you to go back and do other pages. You're fine. Yes. Yep, that way works. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, you can figure that out another time. Right now, just concentrate on what is on the board.
All right, this hour, eyes up front, we're gonna go over some practice problems together. They're problems from your booklet that you just glued into your interactive notebook. Your first problem should look like x equals 2. Make sure you're on that page of your notebook.
Which one is this?
find x
It's
equals 2.
the first page in your notebook.
This should be the first page on the left.
So open your little booklet, and the very first problem on the left should say x equals 2. Does everyone see it?
Yes.
Alright, so if you look at your notes, does Hoy or Vux have an equation that has an x in it?
Yeah.
Which one? Hoy or Vux? Vux. You see this x? We know that our equation should have an x in it. So let's circle Vux. And so if you keep looking at your notes, what axis does our line cross?
Yes.
So it crosses the what axis? Alright, so let's draw our line. So what do we have to do? It's a what line? Horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
Vertical. So a vertical line, are we going to the left or to the right?
To the right.
To the right, 2, because our number is 2. So just draw your points. We'll draw a straight line. Remember your arrows. So it's crossing this x-axis at what number? 2. Perfect. Pretty easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Any questions on that one? Our first example.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and erase the board and move on to the next problem. The next problem is y equals 0. Alright, so we know from our equation y equals 0, am I going to have a horizontal line or a vertical line? Horizontal. Yep, so I'm going to go ahead and circle horizontal. Okay, and so y equals 0. So where's my line going to go since it's 0? It's going to stay on the what axis? On the x-axis. So I'm just going to go ahead and plot my points.
Here's my y. There is 0.
Okay, and you'll have another problem like this in your booklet. Just make sure that you're using a highlighter or a different colored marker so we can see your line on the axis. Like I'm going to show you.
Just make sure your line is really bold so we can see where you put it if it's on one of those axes.
Because if you just use your pencil, we might not be able to see it on the bold line.
Well, that's what arrow pencil.
Yes. Okay, so where does my line, what does it cross? Does it cross the x-axis or the y-axis?
Why?
What do you think?
Why?
It crosses it's on the x-axis, but it's going to cross the y-axis. At 0. It's going to cross at 0.
What? The last one is 0.
Any questions on that one?
No, do you feel good? Thumbs up if you feel like you can complete the rest of the booklet independently. I want to see thumbs up, or we're going to do it together. How do you feel? Feel good that you can complete the booklet independently.
When you have your booklet done, raise your hand, we'll come around, we'll check it, because these are your notes, we want them to be perfect.
So finish those last 4 problems.
And then if you have any questions, just raise your hand and one of the teachers will come around and help you, okay? Yes, ma'am.
No.
Here we go, Tom. Head up. Okay. It's exactly what we've been doing here. Use your notes. There's your equation. I want you to graph it. So first you ask yourself, is this a boy? Is this a boy or a bus problem? Given x equals -3. Because we just got done doing all of the notes that talk about it. So which one of these, boy or bus, has
Finish
an
the
x
last
in it?
4 problems, yeah. So there's an x in our equation.
So it's a box.
This is an x in our equation.
You know, it can't access in the problem, and access in the word. So that's letting you know you're going to be drawing a vertical line. What direction is vertical?
Okay, so in our equation, we have a y, right?
So
We look back at
we're
our
going to be
notes, which one has a
crossing
y?
the x-axis because of the
You
x.
see it has a y in it. Y has a y in it, bucks has an x in it. So our bucks equation should have an x in it.
So where is your x-axis? Where's your x-axis?
Okay,
So
now
where would -3 be on this number? Yep, so put your dot at -3. Yep, and now you're gonna do a vertical line. So which direction is vertical again? Up and down, so draw your line up and down. Yep, all the way through that point, and then draw your arrows. Yep, and you just did your first line. Now you can look at this one. Okay, is this a boy or a bus problem? Okay. Across the at. Beautiful. So now we gotta find x is to 0. Where's x? So where's 0 at? Dot. Is it gonna be vertical or horizontal? Come on, sweet. You got 2 left. Can you do those? Want me to stay? Okay. I'll watch you do one on your own.
when we have y,
Up, down, letter is that? Letter is that? It's not an X this time, it's a Y is not X. You guys have a little bit of different line, right? Okay, so find the y-axis. Yep. Your line can be beautiful. Okay, you got one more to do on your own. You got it.
got it?
No one knows. Look at it. We plotted your point out that x-axis. Your last short number. Yeah, but it's not that short. It's not going to stay on this axis. There you go. Yes, much better. Are you done?